Nityananda is Nagamandri. Nityananda is not Nagamandri. Nityananda, just like you have a sadhaka roop and you have a siddha roop. You may not see it or know it, or Guru gives, or you see Krishna reveals, you'll find at the time of death, somehow you'll come to know. Every devotee that's following bhajan, he has his siddha swarup, either in Vaikuntha or in Goloka Vrindavan, if he's a Gaudiya Vaishnava. Generally, Gaudiya Vaishnavas want to go to Vrindavan, and one of the rasas of Vrindavan. But to get there, we must practice Raganuga Bhakti. If not this life, the next life. Some life. It doesn't happen in a snap. Anartha Nivriti, Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav Prem, Aishwarya Prem, Aishwarya Mahi Prem, Madhurya Mahi Prem, Nirmal Prem, Vishuddha Nirmal Prem, many levels to go to Goloka Vrindavan with Krishna and Radharani and the Nitya Lila Seva in the Sarup. But so your sadhaka roop in this human form, I'm a man, I'm a woman, sadhaka roop, but in my Siddhadeha, I'm Manjari Sakhi by chance, or maybe coward boy, Sakha, or mother, father. Categorically, totally different. I am in my sadhaka group, this is me, and that's another me. This sharir, this body is temporary, but that is nitya. I am nitya. The kshetragya, knower, kshetra, field. The knower of the field, the kshetragya, is Atma. And he is nitya. So I am knowing this body, I am knowing this field, and as I become familiar with my Siddhadeha, then I know that field. And that field is nitya, nitya kshetra, nitya sharir, nitya sarup, sarup siddhi. Siddhadeha, Siddha Sarup. So there are many, many fine details about the pleasure pastimes and the intimate ways that Anangamandri serves Krishna. Anangamandri is so intimate and so much appreciated by her older sister that her older sister keeps her right in the middle of her heart. Radharani's heart. You know where Radharani's heart is? Radharani is born in Barsana in some kalpas. And Gaudiya, as we say, and our shastras and other shastras say in the most recent kalpa right now, in this juncture of Dwapara Kali that we're living in, Kali, Radharani is born in Raval. That's Barsana or Raval, and Radharani's Janamstan, birthplace. But the heart of Radharani is Radhakund. And in the heart, the center of the heart of Radharani is Krishna. And the center of her heart, in the center of her heart where Krishna is, Anangamandri is there. And Radhakund, all of Radhakund is Radharani's heart. And all of Shyamakund is Krishna's heart. And at the Sangam, the two hearts melt together. There's one heart here, Shyam's heart. And one heart here is Radharani's heart. And as they move closer together, when two hearts come close together, then they melt into one. It's called Prem Vaivart.